So let me show you how to enable or disable the touchscreen on a Windows laptop. So you can see this laptop is touchscreen. And so to enable or disable the touchscreen feature, simply go to the start button. And then in the search bar at the top, type device manager. And as you're typing, you should see the results. Select device manager. And in the device manager window, you're looking for the human interface devices. You want to click on this little arrow to expand that. Under human interface devices, look for HID compliant touchscreen. So this is it. Click on it once to select and then right click on it. And from the menu, choose disable device and then confirm that, and that's going to disable the touchscreen. So now nothing works on the touchscreen, as you can see. To enable the touchscreen, it's the same process, but you want to come to HID compliant touchscreen, right click on it, and then select enable device, and that will turn the touchscreen back on. Thanks for watching and good luck.